In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect Yahoo Mail from hackers. We'll walk through turning on stronger security inside your Yahoo account so it's much harder for anyone to break in, even if they somehow learn your password. This is quick to set up and makes a big difference in keeping your email, contacts, and sensitive messages safe. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. At the top right, click Sign In and enter your login details carefully. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site and, if possible, avoid signing in on shared or public computers while you make these changes. Once you're signed in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Your Account. This opens your main account settings area where you control privacy and security. Inside the account settings, select Security. This is the hub for your protection options. Here you'll find the control we want. Two-step verification. It adds a quick second check at sign-in, so a password alone isn't enough to access your inbox. Click two-step verification to begin. You'll see several ways to confirm it's really you during future sign-ins. Choose the option that fits how you use your devices and what you'll have with you when you log in. If you select phone number, Yahoo can send you a code by text or call when you sign in. It's simple and widely supported. Just be sure your number is current and that you can reliably receive messages on it. If you prefer push notification, you can approve sign-ins with a tap on your phone. This is fast and convenient because there's no code to type, and it helps you deny any login you didn't start. It does require your phone to be online to receive the prompt. For an authenticator app, you'll scan a QR code into an app that generates time-based codes. It works even if your phone is offline, which is great when traveling. During setup, enter the first code the app shows to link it to your Yahoo account. Finally, security key is a physical key you tap or insert to approve logins. It's one of the strongest options and protects well against phishing. You'll follow the on-screen steps to register your key, then keep it somewhere safe and accessible. After you've chosen and confirmed your preferred method, two-step verification is enabled. From now on, you'll use your password plus that second step to sign in, adding a powerful layer of protection to your Yahoo Mail.